Hey guys! Hi Alec! Happy Friday! Today is, today? Biyernes Santo. So, Good Friday. And officially, we're 1 year sa Netherlands. Grabe, bilis ng araw. Naka-1 taon na kami dito. Yay! Anyway, so, what did we like here in the Netherlands? Why did we choose here? Ba't kami dito nag-decide mag-settle down? So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam sa inyo, we came from Dubai. We've been in Dubai like me. I've been in Dubai for 20 years. Si Albert, I think 15 years o 17 years, I think. Mas nauna ako kay Albert sa Dubai eh. Well, nagta-travel na siya sa Dubai before, but for work, pero hindi siya doon nakastay. And yun. And then si Alec, obviously 6 years sa Dubai kasi doon ko siya pinanganak. So, we decided to come back here in the Netherlands, to settle down here. It's because of some of mga things like the advantage and benefits for Alec, like education. Education is really good here for kids. Everything is free. Ultimo pang color, pencil, as I mentioned in my previous vlog. And pre-medical insurance, and somebody's dancing there. Ayun. And ano pa ba? So wala ngang bata dito na hindi makakapag-aral kasi lahat dito ito pa isang extra. Ay naku, putik-putik. So like for example, kung may project sila or something in the school at walang pambayad ng bata, yung government magbabayad.
My name is Alec. Hello. I'm 6 years old.
No, almost 7.
I'm almost 7.
And pala, every 2...
I like to wear pink.
I don't remember, every 2 or 3 months, may allowance silang nare-receive. Nagkano na ngayon allowance? So parang 200 or almost 300 euro, which is very good. Yung pa pala, yung one of the good thing here, meron silang allowance from the government na natatanggap dito. I'm not so sure, nakalimutan ko na, pero sabi ni Albert parang until high school, parang ganon, which is really good. And of course, we want her to be exposed in Dutch culture, which is, of course, she has all the right to know that one. Also sa, syempre, Pilipinas, umuwi naman kami from time to time. Okay din naman sa Pilipinas, pero mas gusto namin at mas pinili namin dito, it's more, let's say, dito sa place namin, kung nasan kami nakatira ngayon, is probinsya. Ano pa nga ba? Oh, yun. And as you can see, kasi kami dito sa Netherlands, madaming place dito sa Netherlands. So, we are here in the province. Sa probinsya kami nakatira, which is tahimik. Sobrang quiet. So, safety of the village here, yung province, is why we like it. And friendly ang mga tao dito. As in, even though na it's quite difficult because of the language barrier.
My name is Alec. I like pink. And I'm happy.
Okay. Ayun pa yung isa. Most important,
And I'm 6 years old.
Most important for us is masaya si Alec. She's happy sa school.
My
At
name
saka
is Alec.
mabait yung mga classmate niya. And yun na nga, ang mga tao dito sa village, we're living in Friesland, friendly sila even though yung minsan yung iba syempre hindi nakakapag-English and everything. Pero it's fine. I can manage it. Yun lang yung medyo struggle talaga ako dito, yung language nila. But I'm doing my best to learn the language because soon I want also to start working. And that's the good thing here. You can work part-time. I don't need to work full-time. So I have time for my anak and for Albert. So I don't need really to work like before in Dubai. I used to work before 9 hours, sometimes more when I was working in retail. Holiday, I don't have off. What else is good? The balance of life here in the family, it's good.
You can drink whenever you want.
You can drink whenever you want. That's that one, and the other one is drinking already. I put my cider there. Naglabas ako ng cider, yung English cider. And what else? What else is good here? Yeah, and you feel like you're home. See, kasi ngayon it's spring, pero pag summer makikita nyo maraming puno, bulaklak. Now, yung flower nag-i-start ng tumubo doon na maamoy mo pag nag-walking, nag-jogging ako, naamoy mo na yung amoy ng bulaklak, which is ang bango, kaso nakakahatching. And what else? Yeah, that's how we are 1 year, well, what we are. That's how our 1 year here passed by. And of course, hindi naman lahat very good here. May mga disadvantage din. Tulad ng, what is disadvantage here, Albert? Customer service. Oh my God. Guys, kapag napunta kayo sa Dubai, you will be spoiled. Iba ang customer service talaga sa Dubai. Compare sa Pinas, compare sa Europe. Customer service here, I can say, hindi siya ganon. Old school sila. So they're a bit slow here. Tapos, ano pa sa kanila, uso pa yung post by post, yung isa-send nila by mail. Parang kahapon, nagpa-pap smear ako. Kasi meron sila, yun din maganda, free yung pap smear nila sa mga babae dito. And then I asked the lady kung kailan ko makukuha yung result. Sabi niya, kailangan namin, after 3 weeks, kailangan namin tumawag. And then, parang i-ask namin yung result. Ganun, grabe, 3 weeks pap smear lang, diba? Ang tagal, kahit sa Pilipinas, 2 days o 3 days lang yata. But anyway, there's some like disadvantage here and yung language barrier. Of course, nandito kami sa province. Kung sa city kami, mas easy for me makapagtrabaho o makapag-part-time. Kasi sa city like Groningen, Assen, or Amsterdam, most of the people, ang gamit nilang language is English mo. Kasi maraming expat doon. So, yun lang yung disadvantage sa amin dito. Kasi dito, if I will start to do part-time, hindi practical na magpunta ako sa city. Because yung distance, yung layo niya, tapos syempre kailangan ko makabalik bago lumabas si Alex sa school, makapag-prepare ng food. So as much as possible, I want to work here lang sa village as like 2-3 hours a day, ganun. Pero kailangan ko matuto mag-Dutch kasi nga mostly here is Dutch speaking sila. So, yung isang disadvantage. Pero, okay lang din naman kasi nag-aaral naman ako ng language nila, which is hopefully soon, I will be able to communicate. Naiintindihan ko yung iba, pero hindi pa ako makapagsalita ng ganon. Siyempre, especially for us Asian, guys, ang hirap talaga ng Dutch language. Dumudugo talaga ang ilong at pati utak ko. And what else? Ayan. Yeah, mostly okay naman dito, para kang nasa Pilipinas, very simple ng buhay. Hindi ka mukha sa Dubai kasi sa Dubai, sabi ko nga sa Dubai, spoiled ka, spoiled kami kasi everything there is so easy. Pati gasolina pwede mo nang orderin, pati pag car wash, kung ayaw mo umalis ng bahay, tatawag ka lang, magpapabuka lang, pupunta yung maglilinis ng kotse mo. Here is totally different, but the also thing I like it here in the Netherlands, I mean especially in the village, the drivers, napaka nila, how you call it, disiplinado, at saka sila, hindi sila, siguro may mga reckless driver makikita mo or ma-encounter mo, pero so far 1 year dito sa Netherlands and nagmamaneho din ako dito, ang mabait nila, talaga nagbibigay, nagkukusa sila. And ano pa ba? And yun lang, yung isa pang disadvantage is kailangan ko ulit mag-exam para kumuha ng lisensya dito. Kasi officially resident na ako rito. Since officially na resident na ako rito, so kailangan ko ng Dutch driving license. So kailangan ko mag-exam, which is yung theory exam nila rito. Grabe, ang hirap, ang sakit sa bags. Pero no choice kasi hindi ako sanay nang hindi nagmamaneho. So I need to get the driving license here. And yeah, that's ang haba na ng sinabi ko. Parang naka 10 minutes na ako. Ano pa ba? Yun nga. So here, one of the top things that we do like it here, it's yung family time. Mas may balance yung oras ng pamilya, para sa pamilya dito kaysa sa Dubai. Kasi sa Dubai, laging busy eh. Pero ako kasi, before na umalis kami sa Dubai, nag-resign na ako ng parang 3 years o 2 years. I was 2 years not working anymore before we left Dubai, which is okay because I spent time with my Alec. But here talaga is you have more time to spend with your family. Kumbaga may balance ang buhay mo dito. So, for example, if you want to work as part-time, pwede kang mamili na 3 times, 4 times a week. And, ayun nga, hindi naman uso dito ang yaya kasi sobrang mahal. Which is good kasi ikaw mismo ang magtuturo sa anak mo. But mostly, ang good thing din kasi sa mga bata rito, sa school, natututo sila ng personal, hindi lang yung mga letters, number, tinuturuan din sila sa school kung paano maging independent, which is I really love it. And yun nga, hindi sila nape-pressure kasi sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? I mean, it's good na merong first honor, second honor, third honor na ganyan kasi nagiging proud ka sa anak mo, and yung bata napipil din nila na top 1 ako. Pero, ang paganda rin dito, wala silang ganun kasi walang pressure or stress sa bata. Na, hindi ako top 1, ibig sabihin hindi ako magaling. Kasi, di ba, yung mentality ng mga bata, which is yun ang nagustuhan ko. And, dito, pantay-pantay sila lahat. Bawal ang, siguro merong bully sa mga, pag mga malalaki na, pero dito, ang babait ng bata. Yung mga classmates. Diba like yung mga classmates mo?
Yeah, but in the bigger groups in my school, they're like...
Yeah, sa bigger school, sa bigger group, meron ng mga, diba, may mga pasaway. Pero in total, we do love it here. What about you, Alec? Do you love it here in Netherlands or Dubai? Both. She like, kasi namimiss niya sa Dubai yung Candelicious, Cheesecake Factory, Dubai Mall, which is Butcher Arab. Dito walang ganon.
But I go one time to Butcher Arab. I didn't know we could afford it.
I didn't know we can afford it. So, Albert, are you happy here?
Yeah.
So, in total, we're happy here sa Netherlands kasi dito, we have this the garden.
Who likes Philippines? Who likes Netherlands?
Dito, yun lang, sa Pilipinas, gusto rin namin sa Pilipinas, kasi sa Pilipinas, ang baho ng mga
I like it when I have something to do, but life is boring.
Yeah. So, dito,
life is fun.
Yeah. Ang pinaka-importante naman dito is masaya si Alec. Yun lang naman yung main goal namin is our daughter is happy. That's the most important thing. Ako tsaka si Albert is we have enough living in the city, right? For me, I prefer to have this quiet life. I can't imagine myself living in the city again. Natandaan ko nung bagong dating kami rito, nung bumili ako sa isang Filipino restaurant. Kasi sabi niya, tinanong niya kung sa kami nakastay dito. Tapos sinabi namin nga, probinsya yun, tahimik dun, boring dun. Sabi ko, mas gusto namin yun kasi living in Dubai, laging busy, alam mo yun, city. Dito, tahimik lang, simple lang yung buhay. Wala kang maririnig kundi yung ibon, kuliglig. At saka yun? Putakte. Pag summer. Summer. Anyway, Alec, you say thank you for watching sa vlog natin. Ayan, puro putik. Grabe siya,
I wash my hands outside.
Ayun yung isa naghihikap.
Malamig.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Ayun, yan ang aming vlog today about ang aming 1 year dito sa Netherlands. Ang haba ng aking sinabi. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye! Enjoy nyo yung, advance Happy Easter or Happy Easter sa inyo. Enjoy nyo ang Easter with your family. Spend time more with your loved ones. And bye-bye!